Leopard is a mammal belonging to the cat family Felidae and is a prominent member of this family. There are many different species of leopards around the world. They are often distinguished based on shape characteristics, size, and habitat. African newspaper. Distributed mainly in Africa from the Sahara to South Africa. Comes in many forms including the Sahara newspaper, Maasai newspaper, Congo newspaper, and South African newspaper. African leopards have strong bodies. The head is large and the front is straight. They have big ears and thick fur on their necks. Male leopards usually weigh from 150 to 250 kg, while female leopards are lighter from 120 to 182 kg. Body length can be up to 2.5 meters, plus a tail about 1 meter long. Live mainly in grassy areas, savannas, and open forests in Africa. Common in national parks and reserves, but can also appear in rural areas and even urban areas. African leopards often hunt in a concentrated manner, working group, to enhance hunting performance. They often approach their targets silently, and then a surprise attack. African leopards prefer to hunt large prey such as antelopes, wild buffalo, and even elephants. Depending on the area, they can also hunt small prey such as rabbits and wild boar. Bengal leopards live in India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal. National parks and reserves plays an important role in preserving this species. Bengal leopards have smooth, dark fur with a beautiful appearance. They have dense black markings on their fur and slightly rounded heads. The weight of male Bengal leopards is usually 180 to 258 kilograms, while female leopards are lighter from 100 to 160 kg. Body length can be up to 3.1 meters, plus a tail about 90 centimeters long. Lives mainly in moist rainforest and pine forest, and shrub areas in India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal. Can survive at high altitudes, from sea level to high mountain areas. Bengal leopards usually hunt alone, by approaching the target silently, and take advantage of the power of a jump. They prefer gazelles, buffalo, and even crocodiles. Can also hunt smaller prey such as rabbits and wild boars. Siberian newspaper. Distributed mainly in eastern Siberia and neighboring regions such as China and Mongolia. One of the largest cheetahs. The number has decreased significantly and is in danger of extinction. Siberian leopards have thick fur to protect against the cold. They have darker and darker stripes than the Bengal leopard. The weight of the Siberian leopard is usually from 220 to 368 kg for males and from 100 to 167 for females. Body length can be up to 3.5 meters, plus a tail about 1 meter long. They like to live in the cold taiga forest area and rocky steppe in Siberia, as well as snow-capped mountain areas. Sometimes occurs in scrub areas and pine forests. Siberian leopards often hunt alone and enjoys using environments including snow to approach the target silently. Siberian leopards prey mainly on antelopes, rabbits, and even grasshoppers. In some cases, they also hunt large prey such as bears and deer. Asian newspaper, widely distributed from the Middle East and Africa to Asia. There are many local forms such as Indian newspapers, Sri Lankan newspapers, Chinese newspapers, and many others. Asian leopards have a flexible shape with soft fur and can have many coat color variations. The weight of the Asian leopard is usually 30 to 70 kilograms. Body length can be up to 1.6 meters, plus a tail about 1 meter long. The habitat of Asian leopards is very diverse, includes tropical rainforests, seasonal leafy forests, steppes, deserts, and mountainous areas. Able to adapt to changing living environments, from grasslands to urban areas. Asian leopards are usually solitary hunters, and herbs can also be used, and bushes to approach the target silently. Asian leopards hunt small to medium-sized prey such as rabbits, gazelles, and other animals. They can also hunt large prey such as bears and bison. American leopards are distributed from Alaska to Antarctica, from Canada to Patagonia in South America, also known by different names such as puma. Depending on geographical region, American leopards have a smaller shape compared to other leopard species, with soft fur and uniform color. Weight is usually from 29 to 80 kilograms. Body length can be up to 2.75 meters, plus a tail about 75 centimeters long. Live in a variety of environments including rainforests, coniferous forests, steppes, deserts, and mountain areas. This is a very strong leopard, flexible, and can survive in a variety of conditions. The American leopard is a solitary hunter and often approaches the target silently. They use power and flexible to attack quickly. American leopards prefer to hunt prey such as deer and antelope, rabbits, and other small animals. Occasionally, he also hunts large prey such as bison and bears. European coats are widely distributed in Europe and some. The Asian region includes the North African range, includes many local forms such as leopard plants, fuel alarm, and other variations. European newspaper has a compact shape with short and colored fur. Adapt to the living environment. Weight usually 5 to 8 kilograms. Possible length up to 1.2 meters, plus a tail about 30 centimeters long. Live in diverse environments including coniferous forests, seasonal leafy forests, steppe, in rural areas. Able to adapt to urban living environment, and often appears near humans. European leopards often hunt alone. Its flexibility and hunting qualities to catch the rabbits, birds, and other small animals. European leopards mainly hunt small prey such as rabbits, birds, and small mammals. They can also eat artificial food when living near humans. Leopards such as African leopard, Bengal leopard, Siberian leopard. Asian newspapers, American newspapers, and European newspapers are both mysterious and powerful creatures, symbol of flexibility and determination. In the animal world, they have existed in people's hearts since ancient times, appears in cultural legends, show respect and esteem. Even though they are predators, but cheetahs also play important role in the ecosystem by control number of prey animals and maintain balance in biological communities. However, facing conservation challenges such as loss of habitat and illegal hunting, strict conservation and a global effort are needed to protect these precious species and maintain biodiversity on our planet. Cheetahs are not just embodiments of strength and authority in the world, nature, but also plays an important role in cultures, human spiritual art. Their natural regulation helps maintain balance in ecosystems and keep natural food chains flowing. Although cheetahs have adapted, skillful with many living environments, but they are facing even greater challenges from humans. Hence the global effort in preserving cheetahs and their living environment is not just the responsibility of the research team and conservation organizations, but also the responsibility of the entire international community. The protection of cheetahs not only keeps an important part of heritage. Nature is not taken away, but also contributes to the wealth and stability of the global ecosystem.